clean up the inside of my grandpa's truck with the new Detail Demon attachments. In here. Ooh, a road atlas. Interesting. Okay, so the first tool we're using is the new Air Pulse Crevice Tool. Now this is a replacement attachment for the red Tornador mini cone. So we're just gonna twist this on both of these tools. Both these new tools have metal threads in there. Plus they'll come with a rubber O-ring to get that nice tight fit. Now both these are for the Tornador mini, so you need one of these, not super expensive. Great tool, go grab one, get these tools after. So let's use the very thin crevice tool to spray out under the seats. Okay, now the next step of this is going to be using the Air+Vac tool. Now the nice thing about this, and you'll hear it a lot from me as long as I'm using this tool, is that one, it's also for the Tornador Mini, but two is the fact that you can simultaneously use both the air from the Tornador Mini, screws on metal threads, rubber O-ring, nice and tight, and then also vacuum hookup, 1 1/4 inch vacuum hookup right here. So you're gonna be able to simultaneously use both air and vacuum functions together, but you could also transition seamlessly between both air and vacuum functions without switching up your steps, so super nice. Okay, so we just finished up the front driver's seat using the Air+Vac tool, as well as the Air Pulse Crevice tool to get under the seat. As you saw, I was going back and forth between the air feature and the vac feature. Having them both together, available at the same time, super helpful, especially towards the end when you kind of vacuum up everything and you have those like leftover, bigger, maybe stuck in the carpet like dirt crumbs and stuff. Hold this over top of it, allow the air to kind of blow it up, and then scrape, it gets it right out. So yeah, it looks good. Other side, mats, good to go. Okay, so now the passenger seat mats are done, and I think we're good to go. Put these back in along with the Atlas that goes under the passenger seat. We're all done. Okay, so that was a good look at both the new Detail Demon tools, attachments for the Tornador Mini. Now, like I mentioned, you will need the Tornador Mini Z007 model. Both of the Detail Demon attachments are available on Amazon as well as eBay. Just search up Detail Demon. If you throw in Tornador Mini into the search as well, it should pop right up. They will come together in a kit, so that one product that you see, the one listing that you see, is both of these together. But that is it for this video. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed watching these tools in use and getting to visually learn a little bit more about them. But that's it for this video, so we'll see you in the next one.